What's up world? Craig Levine, Real Life Trading, coming to you with our October challenges. October is one of our most exciting months. It's our creativity month. Are you all ready to get creative? Listen, we've got 3 challenges. Our first challenge is our life challenge. And what I want you to do is I want you to get creative, make a new space in your life. Whatever that space may be. Are you looking for a new office space, a new creativity space, a new place outside? Maybe make a new studio. Maybe make a new meditation space. Maybe make a new outdoor shower. Whatever it is that you want, get creative. You can leave your house. What would be a new space for you? For me, I recently have taken hot yoga, and now 3 times a week, that's a new space for me. You can take a new class and that could be a new space for you. So for October, create a new space and use it. All right. And now our number 2 challenge, this one's really fun. I want you to go out and physically witness as many sunrises and sunsets for October as possible. I think 62 are possible. How many can you witness? All right. Sunrises, sunsets. Don't forget to do that physical thing that you love. Go ahead and run. Go ahead and cold plunge. Ride your bike. Whatever it is that you already do physical, but add the sunrise and the sunset, and let's see how many you can see for the month of October. Now, our 3rd challenge is our trading challenge. It's Creativity Month. So let's create a new trade that's new for you. And that might be creating a plan to go short if you only go long. Maybe create a plan for options if you don't do options. Maybe create a more complex options pair, a bull put spread, whatever it is. Get creative, all right, traders? Make that plan, live life, love life, trade it. Get creative here at Real Life Trading. We love you.